The first thing that I want to share about is how important it is to have structure in your day. The early church found this out very, very quickly. There were these people called the Desert Fathers who wanted to make a commitment to prayer and to following Jesus. So they actually went out into the desert. And at first they tried, maybe if we just pray all day, we'll be able to become holier. What they found was that it just kind of made them tired and they were unmotivated because they were just doing the same thing all day long. What they found instead was if they were able to make a schedule and to pray at specific times and then not pray and do other things at other times, they actually prayed more. So while you're at home, it's really good to be relaxing, taking care of yourself, taking care of the things that you need to get done. But I want to just encourage you guys to make a schedule. Luke 14 talks about a story of a builder who didn't make a plan before he started to build, and then he actually wasn't able to complete his project, and everyone kind of made fun of him for not being able to complete the project. This tells us how important it is to make a plan. So for you guys at home, if you want to make the most of your time at home, make sure to make a schedule. Make specific goals in the day that you want to make sure to accomplish and give it a little time limit. So maybe from 9 to 10, you'll work on one thing. And then from 10 to 11, you'll work on a different thing. And just make a schedule for yourself of different things that you want to work out throughout the day.